Hi everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey to show you our 2024 Scout 277 Dorado. This boat is equipped with twin Yamaha 200s. Great ski tow bar access here, towing for tubes, skis, wakeboards. I do have the transom seat tucked out, easily folds back underneath. On the port side we do have dive door entry. So what's nice with this is you can enter the boat from dive door or entry door on the starboard. Moving forward, reverse seating here, so it can be rear facing or forward facing. On the starboard side, nice big wet bar area. Cutting boards are underneath. Lids, garbage can, and we do have a pull-out Yeti cooler here. This seat can also be rear or forward facing with a flip-up table. At the helm, single Garmin screen, Yamaha vessel view, Edson wheel in black, binnacles, VHF, and push starts. You'll notice very simple dash here. Scout does a really nice job. Right where Kate's seated, we do have phone charger for your passenger, keys, wallets, phones, anything else you want to throw up here, a little catch-all tray there. Forward of the co-captain seat is the head, spacious enough to get in and out of. You'll notice how tall the windshield is here. When this window flips across, everybody gets really nice coverage from wind and rain if needed. I'll let Kate make her way up towards the bow. You can see the tan interior coloring, so you have, it's almost a sand and then like an off-white. And then as we make our way up, Kate will keep going. We do have the upgraded JL audio speakers showcased right underneath. And then last but not least, windlass with the forward boarding ladder. So if you're anchored up going to one of the islands, you don't have to walk around the back of the boat. So again, my name is Frank and Teskey. This is the Scout 277 Dorado in Brick. See you on the water.